So welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today it's a very special day. It's Sunday, it's weekend, and we have come back again with our Sunday special video. And today we will be doing the fundamental analysis of Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals is a stock of the Tata Group, and why it will become a multi-bagger stock of the Tata Group, I will tell you. First of all, let me tell you that you can follow us on Instagram, and our Instagram handle is Being Business 2021. I repeat, Being Business 2021. So first of all, I have also invested in Tata Chemicals. Let me tell you, I have invested in Tata Chemicals last year in November, and I purchased it at a price of 309 rupees per share. And you can imagine today that its price is just now 708.30 INR. When I talk about the last trading session, that was on 21st May. So 21st May 2021. And so first of all, let me tell you that it went up to 800 rupees also. It went up to 800 rupees also. So because the in between there was a bearish market also for few days, due to which the Nifty also fell down below 15,000 and then below 14,500 also in the trading sessions, and so does this stock. But let me tell you why this stock will become the multi-bagger stock. So first of all, let's start. So if we talk about Tata Chemicals is an Indian global company with interest in chemicals, crop protection and specialty chemistry products, headquartered in Mumbai, India. This company is one of the largest chemical companies in India, with operations in not only in India but in Europe, North America and Africa. So this company is also in North America, also in Africa and Europe and India too. The CEO is Ram Krishnan Mukundan since 2012, and it was founded in 1938. So the revenue is just awesome. It is 10,667 crores INR, that is $1.5 billion. So first of all, if we talk about the products of the Tata Chemicals, it is basic and industrial chemicals, nitrogenous and phosphatic fertilizers, industrial finishing products, coatings and crop nutritions. So first of all, the operating income is 1,593 crore, that is $220 million. It is of 2020. Net income is 1,032 crore, that is 1,032 crore, that is $140 million. The parent company is, as you all know, Tata Groups. It has also subsidiaries, that is Tata Chemicals Europe, and also it has 50% stake in Rallis India. 50% stake in Rallis India, which is also a chemical sector company, and I think they are also related to crop fertilizers only, I think so. So first of all, let me tell you why it will become a multi-bagger stock. But before that, let me tell you, when we do the fundamental analysis of any company, first of all, we have to know about the business model of the company. What is the business model of the company? Can it grow in future? Does it have any scope? So first of all, we should know about this, the business model of the company. Then we should know the opinions of the promoters of the company, the CEO of the company, the employees of the company, the investors of the company, that how they see their company and how bullish or bearish are they on their company, and what are their future plans. So we should also know about the annual reports of the company, and also first we will talk about the results of the company. We will talk about all the results of the company, all the 4 quarters. So if we talk about the the report in March 2021, it was revenue was 2.70 crore, that is trillion crore, and it went 0.02% up. Net income fell down by 99.81% and it remained 11.77 crores. Diluted earning per share was 0.46 and it also went down 99.81% down. Net profit margin also went down 99.81% and was 0.44%. Operating income was impressive, 155.68 crore, but it went 71.23% down. Cash on hand is impressive, 1.41 trillion crore, that is, but it went 32.15% down. Cost of revenue was also impressive, that was 992.72 crore, but it went up 34.04%. So you might be thinking you are that I am telling it's a multi-bagger stock. It will become a multi-bagger stock, but its results in March 2021 are not good. So first of all, this is due to the effect of the lockdown, the coronavirus, due to which the company, first of all, the company is operating in Europe, in North America. So due to this whole coronavirus, COVID-19, this company production and the profit margins have gone down, but you actually don't have to worry. First of all, it's a Tata stock, is a reliable stock, and it will surely become a multi-bagger stock. The reason I will tell you later, so don't skip the video. So if we talk about the quarterly financials of December 2020, so the revenue was 2.65 trillion crore and it went up 1.08%. The net income was 160.85 crore and it went 31.21% down. Net profit margin was 6.07% and it went 31.95% down. Operating income was 329.18 crores and it went 6.41% up, and the cost of revenue was impressive. It was 917.53 crore, that is, it was 2.9% up. So these were the two quarters. In the September quarter, the results were also not good, but the only one good thing was the cash on hand, and it was 1.5 trillion crore, that is 1.2% up, and the net profit margin also went down 77.15%, that is 2.63%. Okay, so in June 2021 also, cost of revenue was 875.73 crore, that is 1.42% down, and net income was also 13.28 crore, that was 94.46 crore. Sorry, 94.46%, not crore, percent down. Revenue was 2.14 trillion crore, that is 16.92 crore down, 16.92% down. So these were the but you should actually have trust in this company, and actually this company will become a multi-bagger stock. The reason I will tell you, please, so don't skip the video. And first of all, the Tata Chemicals is looking for capacity expansion in order to improve their top line. The soda ash, which is their main product, the soda ash business has a current capacity of 0.8 million metric ton, which is planned to be scaled till 1 million metric ton by the financial year 2022. And now why Tata Chemicals can be a multi-bagger stock? So the reason is that Tata Motors are now working on their electrical cars. For they need two things: lithium ion cells, that is the lithium ion batteries, and they will be needing the help of Tata Power and Tata Chemicals. So the Tata Chemicals has planned for the expansion that include lithium ion cells for electric vehicles, chemicals, nutrition and agri-sciences. These are the plans, these are the topics in which the Tata Chemicals are planning to expand. So the Tata Chemicals could well be the next Titan Industries, a multi-bagger idea from the storied conglomerate. So now I am telling you the positive points of Tata Chemicals. So first of all, Tata Chemicals is a leader in most of its chosen areas of business. It's the world's second largest soda ash company. So here we are learning about the business model of Tata Chemicals. It covers over 100 million households in the consumer products category. It leads the branded salt market with a market share over 60% and is one of the category leaders in the business of pulses and water purifiers. Tata Chemicals includes Rallis India and Metahelix. As I told you, it included Rallis India, but also Metahelix continues its deep engagement with the Indian farming community, unmatched and unparalleled by any other Indian competitor. Their service over 10 million farmers, covering about 85% of India's arable land. They have about 800 odd of their own stores selling farm inputs, and they expect this figure to touch 1200. Earlier it was 800, but they are expected to touch 1200 stores by the end of the year. So this is the very positive point if we talk about Tata Chemicals. And the next point, which is very important, is that the statement is given by the Tata Chemicals employees, and that is, it's in the UK and Kenya businesses that they are facing tough times, but the Indian and the US businesses are doing fine due to their competitive cost position. The soda ash market demand is growing steadily at 3-4%. The major issues are with their cost structures in the UK and Kenya, but the Indian and US business are doing well. where and in the UK and Canada they are struggling with high energy costs, which are making their business structurally weak. But as they're planning to make lithium ion battery, I'm telling you, this will be a multi-bagger stock. I'm telling you. And it is the statement by the Tata Chemicals employees, not my statement. It is the Tata Chemicals employee statement, and is in 5 to 7 years the Tata Chemicals business landscape will be very different. With all their businesses probably of similar impact and size, they will be less of chemicals company and more of business that serving society through science. That will be serving society through science. So this was all for today's video. I hope that you understand that why Tata Chemicals will become actually a multi-bagger stock, the next multi-bagger stock of the Tata Group. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe the channel, and also follow us on Instagram, and our Instagram handle is beingbusiness2021. So thanks for watching.